Hello everyone, Namaste. Welcome to my channel Cooking with Siri. My name is Siri. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like my video, share it, and you can comment it, as well as don't forget to hit the bell icon. Today is New Year Day 2020. I wish you all my viewers a happy New Year in 2020, and I wish you a healthy, wealthy and prosperous life. Today I'm going to show you how to make a pizza. I'm going to show it in step by step. I'm going to show you how to make a sauce, how to make a dough, and how to make whole pizza. So let's start. So this is the ingredients that I'm going to use. This is a tomato. This is a fresh tomatoes, and chopped onion, chopped garlic, salt, and brown sugar. You can use a white sugar as well. And this is yeast and jalapeno, black olives, some sweet corns, tomato ketchup, plain flour, and this is onion, red onion, yellow bell pepper, green bell pepper, red bell pepper, and mushroom, and some cherry tomatoes, and oregano, basil, and black pepper, and some oil. So let's start. Also here I'm using mozzarella cheese. This is one of the main ingredients that I'm going to use in pizza. First, this is yeast, so I'm going to put warm water and going to put some sugar, 1 tablespoon, and mix it and leave this for 5 minutes. So while we are waiting for 5 minutes, I'm going to prepare sauce. So the pan is hot. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of oil, and when the oil is hot, I'm going to add chopped onion, chopped garlic, and saute for 1 minute. Okay, it's been 1 minute. Now I'm going to add tomatoes and 1 teaspoon of salt and cook it until the tomato will be soft, and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. As you can see, tomato is getting soft. Now I'm going to add pepper, black pepper, and basil. Add some basil and some oregano, okay. Now I'm going to leave this cool down, turn off the heat, and I will blend this after it's cooled down. Now this is how it looks like after 5 minutes later, and I'm going to hold this on the flour and add some oil, salt, half teaspoon, and 1 tablespoon of oil, and make it nice dough out of it. Now you can see the dough is ready. It's soft. Now I'm going to put a little bit of oil on top of it. Like this. And then I'm going to cover this with the foil film and leave it rest for 2 hours. So I'm going to leave it for 2 hours, let it rest. Okay, after 2 hours the dough will look like this. This is fully rise, and you knead it again. Okay, I'm gonna spread some flour here. And knead it again for 1 minute. Now I'm going to cut it in half. Now you can make a base of this pizza. All you need to do is spread the eggs like this. Now I'm going to place this dough into pizza tray. You can do like this as well. So this is how I put a pizza dough in a tray. If you can't make it like that, then you can always use a rolling pan and you can make a dough. And after this, you take a fork and make a hole like this, a little. Oven need to be preheat 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Now I'm going to put this for 5 minutes. In the oven. This is the sauce that I blended and it looks like this. And now you can add tomato ketchup just to enhance the taste, and I like to add some chili here. Chili powder is optional. If you don't want, you can skip it, but I like a little bit spicy, so I'm going to add this. And now you can mix it. So at this point, people like to add some sugar as well. If you want, you can add some sugar as well, half tablespoon, but I just like to have it spicy, so rather than sweet, so I'm not going to add the sugar on it. Now our pizza sauce is ready. Now here our dough is ready as well. Now I'm going to put pizza sauce on top of it. Spread it like this. Now I'm going to add some cheese on top of it. Now I'm going to add all my vegetables, some mushroom, and some onion, and some yellow pepper, and some green pepper, and some red pepper, and some jalapeno, some sweet corn, and after this I'm going to add some black olive, and some cherry tomatoes as well, and I'm going to add some more cheese on top of it. So you can press a little bit like this with your light hand, so that all the vegetable that I put here, it is sticked with the dough properly. And now just for the garnish, you can put some olives from the top, and some tomatoes, some jalapeno, and some yellow bell pepper, and a green, and some red. Wow, it looks really great, and it will be really tasty as well. How it looks like. Oh, this is done now. So now I'm going to put this in the oven, 300° Fahrenheit preheated oven for 20 minutes. So it's been 20 minutes. Let's see. Okay, this is how it looks like now. As you can see, the homemade fresh pizza is ready now to serve. I'm going to cut it. I hope you enjoyed watching my video. Thank you for your time, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like my video, share it, and you can comment it as well as don't forget to hit the bell icon. See you next time, and once again, Happy New Year. Bye bye.